Hey y'all, it's BrianaLynn, and today we are going to be doing one of my favorite things, organizing! Welcome to my channel where you will find lifestyle, DIY, and beauty. Please be sure to join my bestie squad by subscribing down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and as always, if you truly enjoy it, share with a friend. Join my bestie squad. Don't keep it all to yourself, sis. Spread the word. Let's go. So as you can see, we are not in my usual background. Excuse this here. Don't look at my chicken scratch, okay? I'm going to be organizing my makeup room. I have been needing to do this so badly. It's been driving me nuts. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy. So let's go ahead and get started. Say it again, babe. Now, when I show you this is a judgment-free zone. It is not always like this. Just know I've been settling in, getting used to recording videos, and I just haven't had the time, okay? But today we have the time. So we're organizing and getting our life together. All right, y'all, so I have y'all on the tripod. As you can tell, there's a slight echo. Don't mind that, but we're gonna go ahead and go into my beauty room. I'm gonna show you what it looks like as of right now. And this is my cutesy door decal. I eventually wanna get one that says Briana's beauty room. Ah! This is my glamorous beauty room. So as you can tell, this is some filming equipment that I have for my videos. I have my backdrop right here. This is my little table. This is the area we are going to be cleaning up today. As you can see, there's stuff all over the floor. This used to be way worse. I used to have more boxes over here. Threw some of that out. And I kind of just piled it all here on top. This is stuff that I want to keep in this room. I have this little corner kind of semi set up. I recently bought these two shelves. Then I bought these little shelves for my sunglasses. You know, kept some cute little bags. Put them up there. Hey, Marilyn. Hey, girl. So she used to be on this wall before I decided that I wanted to film videos and try this whole YouTube thing. This was like my vanity room. So I had my little desk over on this wall. That's why I have my studio lights. I have my little mirror. And then I had decorated this to be like the entrance, and my vanity would be like right here in this area. But instead, everything has switched. These that used to hold up my vanity are now used as part of my backdrop. I have my schedules and stuff here, to-do list. This helps keep me on track. And this is pretty much like where I sit every single day. So I was looking more to like make room for it. I am probably going to take down these lights and this mirror today since I no longer use it as a vanity anymore. Sad, but you know, hey, YouTube life. Yeah, it feels weird saying that, but anyways. So that's kind of what we're working with today. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera and let's go ahead and get started moving things around, taking things down, and putting things into our organization system, okay? So let me go ahead and show you what we're organizing with. So I actually found this at Michael's. It was on sale. They have everything on sale right now. This is what it looks like put together. Super cute, 3 drawers. Then, sorry, it's kind of hard to do this one hand. I found this at Marshall's. It's an acrylic organizing bowl. Guess how much? It was on sale for $10. So I'm going to be using this. And then lastly, I bought some of these boxes from Michael's. They're like the decorated ones. Oops. So these here. Super cute. So we're going to use those. And we're getting rid of all this clutter, okay? See how it looks now? Yeah, say bye-bye. So whenever I clean out anything, any type of room, I like to take everything out
That way I know what I want to keep, what I'm throwing away, and kind of gives me an idea of where I'm going to put it back. So once I do that, then I like to put everything back one at a time. And as you'll see, I'll grab like a big trash bag or any type of shopping bag and use it as a trash bag, hang it on the door or hang it out of the way. That way I know where I'm putting all the trash. Sorry if the light's a little yellow in here. We have recessed lights and the bulb, I don't know why it comes off yellow, but bear with me, okay? So it drives me absolutely insane to have a cluttered workspace. So I'm just kind of picking up my little work area. That way it's not so cluttered. I'm not a weirdo. This is when I live teach my kids, okay? Don't judge me. It has to be here so I can easily grab it, okay? Everything on here serves a purpose. This has my Q-tips in it. It's just an old Bath & Body Works candle that I cleaned out. So the boxes you see on my desk, I actually use those to set my computer on top of it. That way it elevates it higher. Because if I just lay like my laptop on the desk, it like gives me all types of double chin vibes, and we don't want that on live teaching. I'm going to be taking this mirror and the lights off right now because I don't need it anymore. At least not there. I need to find somewhere else to put it. So for now it has to go bye-bye. So I don't know if it's because I've lived in a dorm or my mind has just been like trained not to put holes in the wall. But I do not like to put nails or anything like that that is a permanent hole or fixture. So for this I use the Command Velcro strips. That way it's easy to take it off, put it on, move it around, do what I need to without making any holes. I'm a rocker, man, through and true. If you can tell me where that's from, brownie points for you. I like AC/DC, Skinner, Van Halen, not Van Hagar. Where is it from? Let's go ahead and get started on the fun part. So what I'm going to do first is just get everything probably off onto the floor. And then when this is clean, we're going to go ahead and put it back, but organized, okay? I find that when you clear the space of whatever you're trying to organize and then you take it all off, then you put it back, it just makes things less stressful and so much more easier to see what you want to keep, how you kind of want to organize it, and what needs to go in the trash. Cutesy purses. This one's my fave. Shout out to you, Eliana girl. Thank you. Shout out to my mother. Shout out to you, Steph. Thanks. So these are actually like packages from makeup that I've kept. I have an idea for these. So we're keeping these. I have more flowers. We definitely gotta put these up somewhere in here. And I think that's why I have them in here. I just haven't put them up yet. So this box here actually has like makeup that I haven't even like touched. I have the Fenty palette. I have this Robin Hood little booklet. This is like majority of makeup I get in BoxyCharm that I haven't used. Fenty lip gloss, mascara. We have, what is this? Rebecca Set powder. Another palette. Like, I haven't. This is why I don't buy new makeup, because I have all this stuff. There's not even half the stuff that I haven't tried. So what do you want to do first? First of all, we need to wipe this down. This is dirty. Cleaning. Welcome! I think it looks pretty even. Oh well. Y'all, taking the stickers off of these bins from Marshall's was an absolute nightmare. I cannot tell you how much effort and how long it took to finally clean that adhesive and take the complete sticker off. So now's the time where I'm just taking my storage bins that I bought and I'm going to go ahead and start arranging all the things that I took off of that area originally and start putting them away into these storage compartments.
Remember these from my, I think it was a BOXY video? So like I said, these are going to be a part of a wreath I need to do. I've been slacking. It's supposed to be for spring, but now it's going to be for summer. I'll just set them up there for now.
During this video, I definitely realized all the little trinkets, little miscellaneous items that I have that just needed a home. And I guess that's why it took so long to fix up this whole corner, because I knew it was going to be very time consuming.
Just bags of nothing. My moss. Where am I putting my moss at?
You see what I mean by like little stuff that just needs to have a place? Like all my lotions right here, all the perfumes, my hair products. It's literally all those annoying little things that you have laying around your room that you just want to put away, but you don't know where to put them. So these bins are coming in handy that I got from Michael's.
Bags don't even go in here. They go in my closet.
So earlier when I was having trouble removing the stickers from my bins, I used Goo Gone, which is like a substance that helps remove the stickiness of the adhesive and the stickers. It actually works really well, but for some reason on the biggest bin I had to use it multiple times. That sticker was really on there and it was super annoying to take off, but using Goo Gone really helped this process a lot. So if you haven't used it, I highly recommend this product.
A bag full of camera stuff. I may just move it closer to wherever I'm filming so that there's, if I need it, I can find it. Hi! So I'm going to be using double-sided tape to hang up the flowers up here. So wish me luck.
So as you are about to witness, the first double-sided tape I used was not thick enough, so I had to find a thicker one, which I had. It was just somewhere else in my room, and that worked perfectly fine after this.
It's fine. It's gonna work for now. Let me show you guys. I think it looks fine. I don't think it looks too crazy. If I had other ones, like maybe one more right here, that'd be cute, but it's fine for now.
So here I'm just dividing all the products into face, eyes, lips, and all that good stuff.
I'm back. I went to get the mop and the broom, and I got myself a little drink. It's mineral water, Topo Chico, I think. And it has tahini, lime. So good. It's so refreshing. My favorite. My dad used to always drink mineral water when I was younger, and he drank it, I drank it. So good. 0 cows, girl. So let's go ahead and clean this room so I can get out of here and go grocery shopping. Say hi! Say hi! Alright, are you ready for the grand reveal? Let's check it out. Woo, there's nothing on the floor. We can walk nice and safely. This is what I've been doing, working so hard on. Now everything is in place. Everything has a place. There yet. We have like beauty and lotions in here, miscellaneous in here, next project up there, our little books here. I'll probably end up moving those if I don't find a little end. Don't mind this, I have to take that down. Makeup I need to try. This area is nice and clean now. I have my extra seating. I took the mirror and my studio lights down here. That's why it's so plain. I might end up putting like studio lights here or something. And this is just like my table here. I have like a towel over it. This has been here ever since I was cleaning my brushes video, and I just never took it off. I don't know, I just feel like this looks kind of weird, so I just kind of left it on there. And you know, if this gets dirty, I could easily just take it off and wash it. Computer, this is what I see whenever I film. I have my softbox ring light, and then my camera will be somewhere in front of the ring light. I use every day. Brushes, setting spray, hair when I get out of the shower, micellar water, face wash, facial spray, alcohol, color switch, eyelashes. This is to my camera. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, this is not pretty, it's not glamorous behind the scenes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Don't forget to join my bestie squad by subscribing down below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to get to them, guys. See you on my next one.